Hi guys, today I will share with you secrets of making money online that no one is gonna tell you, yes, except me, only on this channel. So make sure that you stick around and watch this video all the way till the end, because I also have a giveaway. Yes, so watch this video all the way till the end. Let's just get right into today's business. Do you know that the first one on my list is that you can sell ad space and sponsored content? I'm telling you, see, anyone with an internet connection is lurking around in quest of finding their target audience and bombard them with ads. I'm telling you, you can use these strategies from anywhere in the world, regardless of your age. I don't care what your age is, your sex, your location, your gender. See, you can make money from the comfort of your home. Do you know that if you have a blog and you have put in the work that you did to, hey, do you know you can make money with your blog? Yes, all you need to do is place ads on your website. See, you have to overcome these few things that I'm going to be sharing with you. You have to overcome the fear of being seen in public, that shyness. You have to go and kill it too. Yes, you have to come out of your shell and put more content out there. You have to make sure that your site is seeing a decent amount of traffic, and you should also have a niche audience that is, an audience base that is loyal to your blog or your brand. See, if you can put all these three things in place, hey, your brand, your blog, you can sell ad space on your blog. And there are two ways to go about selling ads on your own blog. You can either do it on your own, or you can also use third-party services to do the hard part for you. So I'll say go for those third-party services. Yes, to go for them, because especially if you're new to this idea, you can make it easier on yourself. Let these third parties manage the ads on your blog. They offer premium ad services. Yes, these services automatically display and manage your ads for you. They help you save plenty of time. Do you know you can also do buy-sell ads? Buy-sell ads is a huge advertising marketplace where prominent website owners list their ads for other people to buy. And there's a catch. See, if your blog doesn't meet the requirements for the traffic, the kind of traffic that they want, they might reject it. So it's better to gain some decent traction on your blogs before you apply to buy-sell ads. On the upside, buy-sell ads gives you 75% of the total income. Yes, so it's quite high. Oh, hey, YouTube doesn't give you that much. Oh, and you can choose to withdraw your money twice in a month. Another way to make money with your blog is through blog ads. Blog ads is pretty similar to buy-sell ads. The only difference is that they give 70% of the total income to users, and they pay you through PayPal. Yes, you need to have a minimum of $75 in your blog ads account for them to transfer the money to you. Now, guys, have you heard of OIO Publisher? OIO Publisher seems like your regular ad service, yes, but this platform has a feature that many others actually lack. You get to keep 100% of your revenue. Yes, and then you only need to pay $47. OIO Publisher covers the rest. Apart from this, see, the platform offers automation. They give you plenty of exposure in the marketplace. You can buy and sell domain names too. Yes, when someone says, I want to make money online, they don't even think of buying and selling domain names. You see, on this channel, I will be sharing with you. You can be selling websites. I'm telling you, sell domain names. See, it can be a pretty lucrative option. I'm telling you. So while buying and selling domain names earn you a decent side income. Yes, so even in your spare time, you can make a ton of money. And here is a list of some of the highest prices paid for domain names. You can check out the list of these high price. See, the idea is that sometimes the whole point is sometimes that little idea might turn out to be a highly profitable venture. I'm telling you, see, owning a good quality domain name can fetch you lots and lots and lots of money. For example, you can have a look at the amounts that people are paying to buy quality domain names. See, it all comes down to the quality of your domain name. The rest now depends on how you promote it. See, yes, and here are some tips for buying and selling domain names to maximize your own profits. You have to narrow down your target audience. Yes, don't focus on just selling the domain names to the highest bidder. Before you start to jump at me, hear me out. See, I've witnessed people sell, they get excited when they are still new in this business. So if you flock to buy domain names that are related to maybe healthcare firms because you think that doctors are very wealthy, then you are heading for a disaster. You'll be shocked. So guys, it is really important to select your target audience and domain names based on profitable industries that you understand. I'm telling you, you find hot keywords that identify the right keywords for your targeted subject matter. Just head to Google Keyword Planner. Don't worry, you don't have to pay $1 for it. Yeah, so with Google Keyword Planner, you can easily find high volume search terms. And here are a few quick suggestions for the term SEO. Number one, where can you buy inexpensive quality domains? Guys, there are plenty of options that are available if you purchase inexpensive domain names, and you can either participate in online auctions, register for a new domain, or buy directly from web hosting platforms. And here are some top platforms to buy a quality domain name. Number one, Namecheap, yes.com. The next one is name.com, and the next one is Register, yes, and then GoDaddy. Now these are platforms where you can sell your domain names. You can search for a direct buyer. It might not be so easy, but guess what? You can get buyers from eBay, from Afternic, from Flipper, from Sedo.com, and you can even make money as a YouTube star. Most of the popular YouTubers that you know, they are millionaires and they have found instant fame. Guys, what else do you want? You work on your terms. When you start your YouTube channel, you work when you want to. It sounds like paradise, to be honest, but you put in the work, and before you know it, you're on your way to making a ton of money with your YouTube channel. You can build a personal brand like I have done for myself, and I have multiple channels here on YouTube, and I have various social media platforms that also fetch me money on a daily basis. So yes, you can actually make money with that device that you hold, that you call with, that you always chatting with, that you're always scrolling through the streets of the internet with, that you're always checking other people's contents with. Those people are making money as the more you to watch their videos. So it's your time now. It's your turn to turn that phone into income, an income source for you. So I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home using just what you have. And if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. Here is how to enter for my own giveaway. Like I said, I'm giving out $100, yes, cash gifts to you guys, and I'm going to send it to you anywhere you are in the world. All you need to do is this, pretty simple. Just add 50 of your friends to my Telegram community. Yes, we have finally launched our Telegram community. Add 50 of your friends to my Telegram community, and then let me know in the comments. Yes, after adding the 50 people to my Telegram community, come back to these comments and let me know how many people have successfully joined my Telegram channel. Now you can send my link, my Telegram link, to 1,000 of your friends, 500 of your friends. Hopefully 50 of them are going to join. I will send you the money. I can send it to you via Zelle, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Western Union. So yes, I will send you the money. Just make sure that you add 50 people to my Telegram community. Come back to this video and let me know. I'm going to verify how many people you truly added to my Telegram community, and I'm going to send you $100. Yes, and that is it, guys. So today, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. You guys asked and we listened. You asked for how to make money videos on this channel, and here we are. Thank you all so much for watching all the way to the very end. I'm Miriam. Do not forget to like today's video, share, and tell a friend, and introduce yourselves in the comments in case you have not. And of course, watch my previous videos and watch out for my next set of videos. Take care, guys, and bye for now. In case no one has told you today, let me just tell you now, you are amazing. I'm very proud of you. I love you, and keep shining, keep winning, and keep shining for your girl chances. Take care, guys. Bye for now.
Mariam Adepoju.